Today, we are going to discuss the basic components of English grammar. Since there are two basic components, namely morphemes and words. Now, we are going to tackle the first part, which is morphemes. Usually, people think of words as the smallest unit of language, but there are even smaller pieces of words, and that is called morphemes. Okay, morphemes are the smallest parts of words that convey meaning. Many words contain more than one morpheme. Okay, let us use an example word, unsuccessful. To analyze the meaning of the term morpheme, unsuccessful has three component morphemes. The first one is un, gives the negative meaning. The last one, full or ful, explains there is plenty and indicates the word is in the form of an adjective. The middle morpheme, which is success, gives the primary meaning of the word. In this example, un is a prefix, which is a type of morpheme that must be affixed before another unit. Suffixes, such as full or if-ul, must be after another unit, while success is the root morpheme. It carries the basic meaning of our word and successful. Alright, word meaning can also be changed by inflectional morphemes. Consider how meaning changes when s is added to dog. It becomes plural, dogs. How does meaning change when we add apostrophe s to dog? It shows possession, right? Example, the dog's tail. Okay. How does meaning change when s is added to ask? It becomes asks and is used to form the third person singular in the present tense. Example, the student asks an important question. These changes are examples of how inflectional morphemes contribute meaning. Okay. Here are some examples of inflectional morphemes. We have in verb, we have asks and it. Alright. If we're going to add s to ask, it becomes asks. Example is the student asks a question. If you're going to add ed to asks, it becomes ask. Example is the student asked a question. Next, eat. If you're going to add en, it becomes eaten. Example is the dog has eaten its dinner. Now we are going to add ing. It becomes eating. Example is the dog is eating its dinner. Next, in the nouns. Example is girl. If we're going to add s, it becomes girls. Example, the girls are smiling. Now, if we're going to add s after the letter L, it becomes girls, right? Example is the girl's dress is yellow. The next one is in the adjective. Example is tall. If we're going to add er, it becomes taller. Example, the athlete is taller than Joe. Next is, if you're going to add est to tall, it becomes tallest. Example is, the tallest athlete is Mike. Okay? Okay. There is no set number of morphemes in a word, while unsuccessful has 3. Many words have just one, examples play or drama, or 2 actor react, or several unreasonableness. Okay? Okay. For our next topic, we will be discussing about words. So please subscribe and hit the ring button for you to have an updates for our next videos. All right, thank you.